There are a lot of perks in connecting your Spotify to your Discord account. Not only can your friends follow your Spotify easier, but you'll also have the option to listen to music together while chatting. It's easy to set up as well. Here's how. First, open the Discord application from your computer. Next, click on the gear icon at the bottom to open your settings. Now, from the left margin, click on Connections. From here, you'll see several platforms. Find and select the Spotify icon. Once you do so, a new window will pop up so you can log into your Spotify account. Once you successfully log in, you'll see a confirmation that your Spotify and Discord accounts are connected. Finally, go back to Discord. You'll now see Spotify on your connections. You can choose to display your account on your profile so people can easily follow you. And you can also display a status whenever you're listening to music on the app. If you're using the Discord application on your mobile phone, here's what you need to do. First, open the app. Then click on the 3 horizontal lines at the top left. Next, click on your icon at the bottom right, and then select Connections. Now, tap on Add from the top right part of your screen. Then select Spotify from the options. You'll be redirected to another window, and all you have to do is log into your Spotify account and confirm. And that's basically it. Now you can send music session invites to your friends while you're chatting on Discord. Make sure to like and subscribe for more quick Discord tutorials, and check out these other videos that you might like.